Hey, what's up everyone? Tony Yayo recently spilled some tea about the time Joe Budden and 50 Cent attended a Knicks game at Madison Square Garden. Now, we all know that 50 Cent and Joe Budden aren't exactly best buds. But last month, they managed to keep things civil when they both showed up for the Knicks versus Pistons game. Photos surfaced online showing the two even chatting briefly, suggesting they were willing to put their beef aside for the night. But according to Tony Yayo, things weren't as chill as they seemed. In a recent conversation with Vlad TV, Yayo admitted that he was actually worried for Joe Budden's safety when he found out Budden would be attending the same game as 50 Cent. Yayo said, "I was scared for Joe Budden," explaining that he thought something might go down. However, he also figured that the high-profile setting of Madison Square Garden would keep things in check. Yayo said, "Madison Square Garden is like the airport. If you pop off there, you're banned forever. And it's not a place you want to get into an altercation. You're courtside, you start a fight there, you're gonna make the news." So, what do you think? Did 50 and Joe really bury the hatchet for one night, or was it just a tense truce? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Catch you in the next one.